Bartolomeo's Madonna and Child, estimated value $10 to $15 million. Botticelli's The Rockefeller Madonna, a snip at $5 to $7 million. Just two of more than 400 lots, some of the finest examples of European Renaissance art.
We expect a great deal of interest, and there's an unusual, I think, an unusual level of rediscovered works, of works that haven't been seen very often before, that were known but lost, things that people haven't seen before, even sophisticated people who follow the market. So we're expecting a lot of interest.
Said to be the highlight of the sale, this work by Bronzino, one of the most important Renaissance portraits still in private hands. So rare, its estimated value anything up to $18 million.
Portraits by him are highly desired and almost impossible to find. So this is a work that it's a great early portrait. It's in superb condition. It's a rediscovered work, but it's also gee, I couldn't even tell you the last time a Bronzino portrait has been available. I mean, I'm not sure there's been one in my lifetime.
The auction will take place at the end of the month. Old masters, new opportunities. A chance for people to own extraordinary works of art. Tim Allman, BBC News.